I want to show you how you can build your own custom GPT, like a customer care chatbot, for example, that you can embed into your website, add to your website, and you don't require any coding experience to do this. You can literally just use your website URL, click a couple of buttons, and have it done, ready to go. It's incredibly powerful for things like using knowledge bases. So you'll know here you can actually upload a couple of files to your knowledge base. You can't actually scrape your website. If you were to go into ChatGPT and you were to say something like use data from the website for your knowledge, what it's going to do is it's going to go to the website, it's going to read that homepage from the website, and it's going to give a bit of a summary about the website, but it doesn't have a lot of information about your entire website. It's only going to give you probably 200, 300, 400 words maximum for its knowledge base. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to build a custom GPT. For example, you can see here we've got all of these URLs. We've 130 URLs that I've scraped for this website. All of these are product pages, collection pages. We've got things from their terms and conditions, all those different things. And then what we're going to do is build a custom chatbot that we can add to the website that has got the ability to answer questions trained on that data. So for example, if we built a chatbot like this, we could add it to the website, we could ask it questions, or sorry, users could ask it questions. It has access to all of the information from our website that it will then use in its responses. So it will basically go through the entire website and read all the information that it needs, come back with a step-by-step bit of information to help the user out. You can see here it can actually show links within the responses. For example, if I click this, it opens up a new link, and it also adds UTM tracking as well, so we can see where people are clicking within our website or within the chatbot. We can also read these messages that people are sending to our chatbot. We can actually understand why our customers aren't buying in real time. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to use this piece of software, ChatIQ.ai. If you click the top link down below in the description, you can go ahead and start your free trial. Once you click this button here, it's going to take you to our sign up page. So very easy, just put in your website URL. So for example, we're going to use the example here of the UDI, which is what I used on ChatGPT's website. When you start your free trial, it's actually then going to go ahead and scrape every single page on your website. It'll then leave you with something that looks like this, and it will go ahead and process all of this information. It's going to create a custom prompt for you. It's going to do everything that you need to do straight away. You don't need to do anything else. You just need to wait for it to populate with all the information that you need. So depending on how many pages on your website that you've got, this can take anywhere between a few seconds to up to 20 minutes. 20 minutes is more if you've got like 300 pages on your website. So for example, all we do now is we take this, I'll show you how to do this, copy this code. We're then going to go to our Shopify store, and I've just got a demo Shopify store here. This can work with any website builder, so I'm just going to use Shopify as an example. You can use Webflow, you can use WordPress, whatever it is you want. So if we come to the themes, we come down to here, we click on Edit Code, and we're going to head to the theme.liquid file. What I've done is I've already added it in, but I'll just do it again just to show you. Your theme.liquid will look something like this. All you want to do is you want to find the head tag in your website. You want to click there, just give it a couple of lines spacing, and then just paste in the code that we copied. I'm going to close this. I'm going to save this now. Once we've saved that, we can then preview our store, and you can see down here in the corner, I'll just hide this, our chatbot has now been added to our website. It's got custom interaction, so here I'm the ChatIQ interface. Ask me anything about ChatIQ. I can obviously send it a message. It will then go ahead and read the information. So I've actually just gone ahead and asked it an example, what is ChatIQ? It's gone through, it's read the entire website, it's given me a breakdown of all the information, and obviously I can then continue to talk to it and get information about the entire website. So it's a very cool tool. There's a lot that you can do in terms of customizations, especially in terms of human handoff, to be able to send the user to a contact page or book a call, and also to be able to track the links. So any link that you've got from your website, so for example, if we come onto our homepage, any link that we've got to, for example, even our blog, it will be able to find these links. It knows that these links exist, and it can use those in its responses, so it can actually link us to different parts of the website. So once you, if you click the top link down below in the description, go ahead and sign up for a free trial for ChatIQ, and once you've created your chatbots, once you're at this point and you've embedded it into your website and you're happy with how things are working, you may find that you want to make some changes or some tweaks. Maybe it's not responding exactly in the way that you want, or you find that you want to change the branding. You can see here the branding is obviously, I've changed the color to blue. So if you want to do that, all you need to do is head back to here and click on add further customization. It's going to take you to your dashboard, which is going to look something like this. So you can see here I've got all of the great links. Depending, like I said, depending on how many links you've got, these may still be processing, they may be done. Then what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the chatbot that we're currently working on. So you'll only have one chatbot in your account. You can create multiple if you want to. We're going to click on this one. So we're going to head over here, and we can see down here, while this all loads up, this is all the knowledge that we've got into our chatbot. Now, these aren't showing for the moment just because the URLs are too long, but I'll fix that. If we decide, for example, to update a page of our website, or we need to add more information to our chatbot, for example, if it's not responding correctly, or if we've got additional questions, what we can actually do is provide an FAQ document. So we can give it some more information and we can just add some more knowledge here. I can't do this now because all the knowledge that I've got in the account, there we go. So for example, if I wanted to, I could select from some of the knowledge within my account and I could add that back in. So if I've got a PDF, for example, I can add more data. Let's just come back to the data feed. Just move this out of the way again. You can see I can upload more data, I can upload a PDF file, I can scrape my website, or even just plain text. So if there's just some really common questions that people are asking, I can go ahead into here and I can put any extra information I want. I can also see the messages that people are sending to the chatbot. So once this loads up, you can see here from the chatbot selection, I can choose whichever one I've created. So for you, you'll probably only have one to start off with. I can click on the messages and I can read what messages are being sent. Here it's actually showing different images or videos within the responses. Now, I'll get into this in another video, but videos aren't available in responses. So if you've got videos on your website, what you're going to want to do is come to your chatbot. You want to come to your chatbot workspace, and you can see here in one of our responses, we've actually got an image from one of the product pages. And if I click the image, so if I click the link, it's actually going to take me directly to that product page for that product. So all I need to do, if I decide that this image is wrong, or if there's unsupported media types, and if there's an unsupported media type you'll see here, all I need to do is click on this delete button, remove it, and it won't show up again. So I definitely recommend, if you've got images or videos on your website, you come into the workspace and you just basically play around with this and see what's happening. You can also come into the messages, see what messages people are sending, and you can always update or remove these images or videos as well. So that's a very quick instructional video on how you can set up a custom GPT for your website. You don't need any coding experience at all. If you want to actually adjust the colors and the information, the design of your chatbot, you can come to the settings. Again, select the chatbot from your drop down. Here we're going to go for the UDI. We can change the greeting message, and we can also change the user message color. So for example, we can change it to like green if we wanted to, whatever branded colors that we've got, and then just save those changes. Once we save those changes, that chatbot will be updated live on the website, and then obviously if we decide we want to add any more information to our chatbot and we save those changes, that will also be automatically added live to our chatbot on our website. So if you've got any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and if you've got any ideas for new features or things that you want to see within your chatbot, again let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have.